You say eat, eat. Sissy, eat, eat. Can you say dada? Dada. Can you say dada? Dada? I see your shoe. You're not gonna sign for me now? Sissy, can you say juice? 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 Juice. Good job. Can you say milk? Sissy? Milk? Milk. More? More? London, can you say more? More? What are you doing with your shoes? What's the deal with your shoes? Sissy, can you say please? 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 You say please? Please? Well, tell me about it. What's going on? Please? Colors? Do you want crayons? Do you want to color a picture? Do you want to color a picture, sis? What's the deal with the shoes? Yeah.